Hello guys. So if you're looking to sell digital products on Gumroad, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, it's not a very hard process. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then search for Gumroad. Then click on the first link. Then if you have an account, click on login. And if you don't have an account, just simply click on start selling. Now just simply enter an email and password and just simply create an account, or you can just simply use these options over here. I'm going to use Facebook. An activation token has been sent to the email that is linked with the Facebook. So just simply go and verify that particular authentication code. Now just simply copy this code and paste it right over here. Then hit login. That's it. Now your account has been made. Now to start selling your product, just simply go to products and click on new product. And in the home page, you can just simply click on create your first product and it will again bring you over here. So if you click on products and click on new product, it will bring you to the same place again. But now over here you can choose whichever type of product you are selling. So for me, the product is a dopamine detox PDF. So I'll just write the name. Now scroll down and enter price. You can choose your preferred currency if you want to by click on the drop box over here and choose whichever currency you want. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of them. So choose the currency that you want, and after that just simply click on next, customize, click on it, then enter a description about your product that you're selling. You can also make a lot of changes on your description by making it bold, italic, underline, and many more. You can also add a clickable button. You can also attach tweets, videos, and image as well. Now I'm not gonna write a description, but I'll just simply type anything. After that, next thing is URL. So over here you will find a URL which you can post on social media, by which people will click on them and they will redirect it to the Gumroad product page where they can buy that. Now after that you have to upload a cover image which people will see and click on it to buy them. So there are three options: computer files, external files, or Unsplash. So for me, I'll just simply go with computer files, and I have a very simple photo, so let's choose that. Now upload a thumbnail for your product as well if you want to. So again, I'm going to choose the very same image, but you don't have to do that. After adding a thumbnail, scroll down and give a product information, which is call to action and summary. So in summary, you can just simply write a small detail about and what your product can help or do to other people. What call to action is, just like in any YouTube videos, they say like, share, and subscribe. So the type of asking that they do is called call to action. So for me, I'll just simply click on buy this. And you can also add additional details over here if you want to. Now after that, click on content. Now if you want, you can also add additional data or detail regarding your product. So by clicking on additional data, you can add more attributes and values on top of your existing product. So if you want, you can do that. And over here you will have your pricing, and if you have multiple versions of your product, you can also add that over here. Now over here there are a few settings that you can read if you want to, but the important one is allow customers to choose a quantity. So if they want to buy more than one, you can just simply click that and they will be able to do that now. Then in the end, just simply click on save and continue. Over here just simply add a detail of your particular product, then click continue. And in the payment option, again choose a payment method and a bill format if you want to. So add that and click on publish and continue, or just simply click save changes. And when you click publish and continue, the product will be published. Over here you will find few share links. So if you click on them, a link will be copied, and whenever you will send the link to anyone, they can directly come to your particular product, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.